Hey guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video updating y'all on this hair that I have in right now. So if y'all are interested in seeing that, please continue watching.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No.
Okay, so the hair that I have in right now is from DYHAIR777. This is a U-part wig, and so I just wanted to do an update on this hair. So the hair has held up really well. I haven't had any problems with it tangling. I haven't had any problems with shedding. Like, there's virtually no shedding from this wig. Okay, I'm trying to think of anything that I didn't mention last time. Okay, so whenever you go to order the hair, you can really customize it. You can choose like your cap size, you can choose the length of the hair, the origin of the hair. So the hair that I got, it is in a 20-inch and it's Brazilian, but there's different options you can get. Let me pull it up for you guys. Okay, so it's a 130% density 1P virgin human hair U-part wig. So that's the name of it. So I got mine in Brazilian, but there's Peruvian, Malaysian, there's other options that you can choose from. And then you can choose the length. There's 14, 16, 18, and 20-inch lengths. And then there's 3 different cap sizes. I got my cap size in a medium, but there's a small, medium, and large. I wasn't sure if I should go between medium or large, but they have the measurements on the website of which size you'd need based on the measurement, of your head. So, yeah, this fits me comfortably. I have a lot of hair, and so if I don't feel like braiding it all down, which I didn't today, it's just in a bun, it all still fits in the cap. It's a lot of room. It's really comfortable. It's really secure because there's 3 clips along the front, 2 combs on the side and comb in the back, and then there's also adjustable straps. If you haven't seen my first video of this wig, I will leave it in my description box down below, as well as all the details of this wig. I will leave that all in the description box for you to check out. And then I'll also leave that video on my end slate, so if y'all just want to wait to the end of the video, you can just click on it. From there, what else? I feel like that's it. Oh my god! I just saw they put me on their website. Oh my god! I did not even know that. I just saw that right now. I don't even know if that's gonna focus, but that was my video. This is the wig right there, and then I probably can't even see that. It's not focused, but and then you scroll, and my video's right there. That is too cute. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the website, and look, there I am. That's my video. Okay, so when you scroll down, it has more information about the wig. It shows all the details about it. I didn't even know there was baby hair at the back. That's pretty cute. There's the cap construction and the different sizes. This is just like a little overview of their website. That's pretty freaking cool. Let me go ahead and go to the comments of that video that I did to see if there were any questions that I was asked that I didn't answer for you guys. Someone said your hair is like the wig, bro. LMAO. Someone said, how long do you think that it would be okay to leave this in? I want one, by the way. I love your video, sis. Keep slaying. Thank you. So leaving it in, I guess, like, as in like sewing it in, if I would think that you would be able to leave it in just like a regular sew-in, if that's comfortable with you. But I like with this, like, you can put it on and take it off, it can still look like you have a sew-in, but at the end of the day, you can just like pull it off your head, and then it's so easy to blend your hair in with it. Like, I just feel like it looks so natural. I just feel like it blends in really nicely with my hair. You don't even have to leave hair out on the sides. Like right here, I don't even have hair out. Like, my hair is just like pulled back into a bun, but I just did like my edges right here. You can just tuck it behind your ear and like you're good to go, because it covers like all like your leave out. I just left out hair right, like basically in a U. I just left that hair out and that's it, and it looks looks really natural. It's really easy, just like throw it on and go. You just maybe curl your hair, like put a little heat on the front of your hair, and then that's it. So I think it's a really good protective hairstyle in that way, besides the little bit of hair that you leave out. Yeah, I've worn this hair a lot of times, several times. I think I've had it for maybe a month. When did I make this video? What is today? Yes, I've had the hair for a month. And it's still in great condition. I don't have any tangling or shedding or any problems with the hair whatsoever. And the cap construction is really nice. It's a really nice wig overall. And the hair is also super soft. I don't know if I mentioned that. The hair is really, really soft. So if y'all were looking for like a wig, or you wanted to try something a little different, I would definitely suggest trying a U-part wig. I will leave the details of this wig. I will leave the exact link to this wig in my description box so y'all can check it out. I'm trying to think of anything else I didn't mention. That's it. So if y'all have any questions that y'all can think of that I didn't answer in this video, go ahead and leave it in my comment. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you. And if y'all are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.